Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Pontiac Grand Prix killer car, guys. Factory color combination, triple black, factory Starlight black car. I bought the car here from a gentleman out of Ohio. He's owned the car 12 years. I think it was 12 years. Just did a complete frame-off restoration on the car. He completed it, I think it was 2 years ago. And he said there's less than 500 miles on the car since he's got it done. But just a killer car, 70 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J. Again, factory triple black car. He had the car disassembled, sent down to, I think he said Columbus, Ohio, had the whole body soda blasted. I believe it's got all the original body panels. He said they did have to fix 2 small rust spots on the car, but other than that, he said the car was clean as can be. He bought the car out of Washington, which makes sense because it's original Z code Freemont, California built car. Gorgeous car. Really, couple little touch-up marks you can kind of nitpick on the car, but very, very nice. New bumpers. Clean, straight, solid car. I think he said he spent 17 grand painting that car, and that was his cost. It was done at a body shop. Some kind of family member did the car for him. But gorgeous car. Sorry about the dust. It's unfortunate. You can see windy and everything. Leaves are blowing around like crazy. So nice car. You can see nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it with 15-inch Pontiac Rally II wheels. Big fan of this car right here. You know, I haven't had a 70 Grand Prix in a long time. Pretty car. Front disc brakes. Oh, it's got tubular control arms on the front. Drives out great. It's an era correct. I think he said it's a 69 block, 69 400. It would have been a factory 4-barrel car. He has added the tri-power. I believe we have the original carbon intake. I think he gave that to us. Power steering, power front disc brakes, and then he's got a complete aftermarket air conditioning, the new box and everything underneath the dash. You can see it's got the bigger radiator in it. Again, tubular control arms on the front. 400 turbohydramatic trans. Stock exhaust manifolds. You can see slick paint on this car. New vinyl top. Original mirror. You can see a little age to that. That's a remote mirror too. You can see how clean the door seams are. This stuff looks all new in here. Power windows, they all work. New carpet, new floor mats are on the way. New sill plates. Shout out to my buddy Don at AAC. Gets us all our new carpets. They've redone all the seats. Of course, factory bucket seats with the center console. Headliner looks great. Stock steering wheel. That is an aftermarket gauge cluster in there. It's all digital. 94,000. That is the original miles on the car, but it's got, like I said, less than 500 miles on the restoration. Aftermarket radio. Of course, the center console. It's got Dynomax dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt 373 rear axle in it. Factory jack with spares in here. Again, look how clean this thing is. Very nicely done. And the only reason he was selling, he's actually got a couple more cars. His wife, let's see, 56 Ford trucks he wants done, and then he's got an El Camino he's building. This is all dynomated down, which is nice when you're driving because it makes it nice and quiet. There's your original build sheet for the car, and then I think he's put some, some of the brochures and stuff, a couple of receipts on the stuff that he used in the restoration. Fiddle with this a little bit. I've hurt my doggone shoulder. Very clean underneath, as always. There's photos of the car underneath on all our cars. Floors are nice and clean. All the factory seat belts are in there. Dash pad looks good. Gauges are clean. Again, AC blows cold. That's got a complete new system. Underneath dash system and everything. Car runs out just as sweet as it can be. Sorry, I gotta switch hands here. Hoping I don't shut the camera off. It's rough getting old, man. I'm gonna have to give up that working out. Good oil pressure. You can see it's got a voltmeter. Everything's in there right there. It's kind of a really cool deal. Doors open and close. Again, all your power windows work, and they work nicely too. Backup lights work. Good sound. Turn the radio on. No power to the radio? No. Blower motor does work, guys. But it's not easy to do with that shoulder. Hopefully we're gonna have to check the wipers. I think they were working, but we'll check it. It's probably the switch. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also now register for our website. Great way to keep track of us. Pretty car right there. just a little smudge, somebody put their fingers there. Factory triple black 70 Grand Prix. That is not something that's easy to find. You going?